Friends, I'm in the battle of my life. This time, it harks back to those days when I stood up against corruption in local government. I've been hit with what's called a slap suit. It's called strategic litigation against public participation. And it comes from down south, from the head of the Local Government Association of Queensland. And they've been chasing me through the legal process for the last 3 years. But the court case I will be having to represent myself in will be in the Cairns District Courthouse in about a week from now. And just to give you an idea of the inequity before the law and how hard it is to take on a law firm and a well-funded plaintiff, these are disclosure documents that arrived just a week ago. I haven't had a chance to open them, not just because of my disability, but because I don't know how I'm going to wade through whatever they've got or even what I'm looking for, to be honest. So this is a call out for anyone with experience in the civil law who wants to volunteer to help on the side of truth, justice and honesty. You can come and help me in my battle against the massive Brisbane law firm King & Co. that's working for the Local Government Association to try and silence me and push me into bankruptcy, so I have to resign as a councillor. So if you've got experience in the civil law in particular, I'd love you to be a part of my legal team. They've been working on me for 3 years, but the good news is we've got a week. So if you're interested in helping and coming together, look, they say if you stand up for truth, justice and the underdog in politics, that they'll get you one way or the other. Well, they think they've got me this time, folks, but come on. If you do have some background in the law and the civil law in particular, get behind me. We've got a whole legal firm against us, but you've got to tell me that justice stands for something even today. So let's stand up. They're fighting against us. They're fighting against my right to freedom of speech. They're fighting against your right to freedom of speech. Because if I go down in this trial, who's next? You could be next. Next time you speak out on a political issue, speak out against someone you disagree with, you could find yourself in the court. You could lose your house. You could lose everything you own. Simply because you wanted to exercise your right to free speech against the establishment forces, and this is what happens. So please put the word out. The court will be starting the Cairns District Court Monday week, so that'll be the 16th. We've got to assemble a legal team, even if it's just a few of us who put our heads together and come up with some arguments against this ridiculous charge of defamation, which is going to be a big waste of everyone's time and an enormous amount of public money. Why? To persecute me because I expose corruption in local government. Well, come on, folks, get on board, message me, leave a comment below how you can help, and let's fight it to the end. We're going to go down. Let's go down swinging. So if you've got experience and you can help, we can open all these disclosure documents and try and work out how we can mount some sort of defence. Please help if you can. Leave a comment below.